Welcome to Med About You, your health solution. Planks are a simple but highly effective core exercise that can benefit your overall fitness. Here are 5 benefits of doing planks. 1. Improved core strength. Planks primarily target the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. Strengthening these muscles helps improve overall core stability and support for the spine. 2. Enhanced posture. Regularly performing planks can lead to better posture by strengthening the muscles that support the spine and shoulders. Good posture can reduce the risk of back and neck pain and improve overall body alignment. 3. Increased flexibility. While planks are primarily a strength exercise, they also engage the muscles in the shoulders, collarbone, and even the hamstrings and toes. This engagement can help improve flexibility, especially in the posterior muscle groups. 4. Boosted metabolism. Planks are a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This increased muscle activity can boost your metabolism and help burn more calories, even after the workout is finished. 5. Mental benefits. Holding a plank requires focus and mental endurance. Regular practice can enhance mental strength, reduce stress levels, and improve overall mental well-being. The concentration needed during planks can also promote mindfulness and a greater connection with your body. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please visit our channel Med About You. Also share and subscribe our channel.